welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods that can help you live a longer, healthier life. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to heart-healthy salmon, we'll cover a wide range of options that can easily be incorporated into your daily meals. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on this journey to better health and longevity. Blueberries have earned their reputation as a superfood, and for good reason. These tiny, vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive blue color. Antioxidants combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve brain health, enhance memory, and even delay age-related cognitive decline. Their low glycemic index makes them a suitable fruit for those managing blood sugar levels, making blueberries a versatile and healthy addition to any diet. Whether fresh, frozen, or dried, they can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. From breakfast bowls to desserts, the possibilities are endless. Salmon is more than just a delicious fish. It's a nutritional powerhouse rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their heart health benefits, including reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. Omega-3s can also improve brain function and support mental health. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Regular consumption of salmon has been linked to a reduced risk of heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure. Pair it with a side of vegetables or a quinoa salad for a balanced and nutritious meal. Enjoying this delicious fish a couple of times a week can make a significant difference in your overall health. Kale has become synonymous with health and wellness, and it's easy to see why. This versatile green has found its way into kitchens and diets around the world, celebrated for its impressive nutritional profile and culinary flexibility. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy vision, boosting the immune system, and supporting bone health. The fiber in kale helps promote a healthy digestive system and can aid in weight management by providing a sense of fullness. Including kale in your diet can help regulate your digestive tract and keep you feeling satisfied longer. Antioxidants in kale, such as quercetin and kaempferol, have anti-inflammatory and heart protective properties. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Add it to your salads, smoothies, soups, or even bake it into crispy kale chips for a healthy snack. The versatility of kale means you can enjoy it in a variety of dishes, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. For those new to kale, start with baby kale, which has a milder flavor and is less tough than mature leaves. Baby kale is tender and can be eaten raw without the need for extensive preparation. You can also massage the leaves with a bit of olive oil to soften them and enhance their flavor. This simple technique can make kale more palatable and enjoyable, especially for those who find it too tough or bitter. Nuts are a convenient and delicious way to add essential nutrients to your diet. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are particularly noteworthy for their health benefits. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage and supports skin health. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Regular consumption of nuts has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to your cereal or yogurt, or use them as a topping for salads and desserts. For those with nut allergies, seeds like sunflower or pumpkin seeds can offer similar health benefits. Avocado is often referred to as a superfood, and for good reason. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are known to improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Avocados are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. The fiber content in avocados promotes a healthy digestive system and can aid in weight management by providing a feeling of fullness. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. Spread them on toast, add them to salads, or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture. Guacamole, a popular avocado-based dip, is another delicious way to incorporate this superfood into your diet. Half an avocado per serving is a good rule of thumb. Quinoa has gained popularity as a supergrain due to its impressive nutritional profile. It is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes quinoa an excellent source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. In addition to being a complete protein, quinoa is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Quinoa's antioxidant properties help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Preparing quinoa is simple and quick. It can be used as a base for salads, added to soups, or served as a side dish. Cook it in water or broth for added flavor. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, many of which are attributed to its high antioxidant content. The primary antioxidants in green tea are catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and disease-fighting properties. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to improved brain function, increased fat burning, and a lower risk of certain cancers. The caffeine and L-theanine in green tea work together to enhance brain function, improve mood, and boost concentration. For added flavor, consider adding a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey. You can also try matcha, a powdered form of green tea that offers a more concentrated source of antioxidants. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, revered for its healing properties and vibrant color. Modern research supports its numerous health benefits, making it a staple in both ancient and contemporary wellness practices. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help combat chronic diseases. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its distinctive yellow color and is the primary source of its health benefits. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. By reducing inflammation, curcumin helps to protect the body from the damaging effects of chronic inflammation. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be as simple as adding it to your cooking. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from curries and soups to smoothies and teas, making it easy to enjoy its benefits daily. For improved absorption, combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin's bioavailability. This combination ensures that your body can make the most of turmeric's health-boosting properties. Golden milk, a popular beverage made with turmeric, is a delicious way to enjoy the benefits of this golden spice. This soothing drink is not only tasty but also packed with health benefits, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Simply mix turmeric with warm milk, a sweetener of your choice, and a pinch of black pepper for a comforting and health-boosting drink. You can also add other spices like cinnamon or ginger to enhance the flavor and health benefits of your golden milk. Dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat but also a superfood when consumed in moderation. Its rich, complex flavor makes it a favorite among chocolate lovers. It is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are compounds found in plants that have powerful health benefits. These flavonoids have been shown to improve heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure, making dark chocolate a heart-friendly indulgence. Studies have shown that regular consumption of dark chocolate can enhance brain function, improve mood, and even boost cognitive performance. It may also reduce the risk of dementia, thanks to its ability to improve blood flow to the brain and protect brain cells from damage. When choosing dark chocolate, look for varieties with a high cocoa content 70% or higher to maximize its health benefits. The higher the cocoa content, the more antioxidants it contains. This ensures you get the most nutritional value out of your chocolate indulgence. Be mindful of portion sizes, as dark chocolate is calorie-dense and can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. A small piece can go a long way. Enjoying dark chocolate in moderation allows you to savor its rich taste without overindulging. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate as a daily treat can be a delightful way to boost your health. It's a simple pleasure that can fit into a balanced diet. Pair it with fresh fruit or nuts for a balanced and satisfying snack. This combination not only enhances the flavor, but also adds nutritional value, making your treat even more beneficial. Garlic has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries, and modern research supports its numerous health benefits. It is rich in sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, which have powerful antimicrobial and immune-boosting effects. Regular consumption of garlic has been shown to reduce the risk of common illnesses, such as colds and flu. Its immune-boosting properties can help the body fight off infections and support overall health. Add it to soups, stews, sauces, and marinades for a delicious and health-boosting addition. Roasting garlic can mellow its flavor and make it a tasty spread for bread or a flavorful addition to vegetables. Enjoying garlic regularly can be a simple and effective way to boost your immune system and support overall health. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible superfoods and how they can boost your longevity and overall health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Let us know in the comments which superfood is your favorite, or if you have any other health topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. See you next time. Stay healthy and keep nourishing your body with these amazing superfoods.